street, they call it murder.
What's going on, guys? You know, today is the 4th day of the 10th annual Welcome to Jamrock Reggae Cruise, and here we are going to go check out some people, go talk to some artists. Tonight is a sound clash, all type of great stuff. Shabba Ranks is performing Chronicle, so let's see if we could get some interviews, talk to them, and let's see what's going on the ship. Follow us around. So, sir, where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Australia. Is this your first time on the Welcome to Jamrock Cruise?
It's actually the second time. So yeah, we came in 2015 for me and my wife's for our wedding. Wedding anniversary. So yeah, it was really fun then. And then my mate, he's finally decided to come with us. So we did the cruise again 10 years later.
Yeah. And how are you enjoying it so far, opposed to the first time you were here to now?
Well, I feel like the vibe is different for obvious reasons, but still having the time of our life. It's nice to see tourists after a long time. Obviously, Supercat shelled the place. Like compared to 2015 to now, it was wicked. But yeah, and then obviously seeing just performance after performance. We don't get that in Australia. Yeah. We have to fly to see some of these artists. Yeah. So yeah, it's amazing. Yeah.
What one, big boss?
I'm there. Just enjoying the vibes on the Jamrock Cruise, you know what I mean? 10th anniversary. Blessed, grateful. As you know, we should have been in Jamaica, but we are in Mexico. We give thanks still, and we pray for the people in Jamaica.
For sure. Is this your first Jamrock Cruise?
Yeah, first time. And you know, funny enough, I actually did the Love and Harmony earlier on in the year.
Yeah.
And there was a lot of comparisons between the Love and Harmony and Jamrock. So the opportunity came about, so I was able to hop on the Jamrock Cruise.
So we're with?
Adawa.
Adawa, where are you visiting from?
So I'm originally from Jamaica, but I live in Miami.
Okay. Miami. Okay, is this your first Jamrock Cruise?
It's my 9th.
9th? Okay, so what made you decide to not only do 1, not 2, but 9 times on the Jamrock Cruise?
Because it's the vibe. It's like a family vibe. Even sometimes the entertainment, sometimes you're like, okay. But it's just seeing the people you have seen year after year after year, people that become great friends, you know, so you can catch up with them afterwards. So it's just coming, even sometimes you don't make the show, you're just tired, you know? But it's just hanging out, even sitting on up here right now. We just came and just sat there and we saw everybody walking by and they grab a seat too. Yeah. So that's why we keep coming back.
This man here has been one of the staples from time on this cruise, especially as a Canadian, waving the banner and the flag. Long time. SpexDaBoss, what's going on, my brother?
I'm good, man. Big up to everyone out there, but definitely from the very first time I was on the cruise, there's maybe about 4 or 5 Canadians, and my wife and I made it a staple to keep campaigning and trying to let Canada know that they need to be on this cruise, because this is bigger than a cruise. Yeah. It's like a big musical conference, you know, with all the sound men, the producers, the band members, influencers, content creators, you know, anyone that has anything to do with music, publishers, radio personalities, like everybody that you can think of that has anything to do with reggae and dancehall music. This is the place that we meet annually, like a music conference, and it's also a time that we all get to meet as family once again. So if you're in Canada right now and you've never been on the Jamrock Cruise, as I told you from day one, if you snooze, you lose.
If you know anything about radio, media, this lady right here, she's been doing media for a long time, and now she's relocated to the beautiful motherland, and we're gonna see what she's up to. Miss Nikki Z, how are you doing?
I'm amazing, you know. It's been one of those cruises where a lot of us, we were a little bit worried how some of the cruisers were gonna get along. You know, we knew we had a lot of newbies this year, and to then be in the situation that Jamaica is in and having to get them to understand how Jamaica celebrates. It was something that we were worried about, but people, they showed us.
She said. Listen, his wife is light skinned too. She's really Jamaican. She know to cook chicken back and everything there too. See? Watch this. Watch it. Let's vibes up. To the rhythm. To the rhythm. To the rhythm. To the rhythm. Wait. You're on your second honeymoon. Give them a round of applause. They're on their second honeymoon. G-Step, we need you for sure. We need you for sure. In over. Tanya, please, just teach him. Wait, just teach them for 5 seconds, please. Teach them for 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Y'all good? All right.
We're here right now at the 10th annual Welcome to Jamrock Cruise, and we're sitting here with Tanya, which is the cruise director. How are you doing, Tanya?
Hi, very good considering. Yeah, no, it's I'm doing great and things have smoothed out. It's been a trying year without a doubt. The reason that this one is more trying is because we had a hurricane. Hurricane Melissa just struck Jamaica, and it was devastating for the island and the people of Jamaica. And so we've had to work very hard and diligently to get people off the island, as many as possible. And those that would couldn't, we just sent our prayers and made the cruise happen. And we really wanted to make it happen, and still celebration because everybody wanted it to happen. Yet we're turning this into a fundraiser. So that a fundraiser we're doing in collaboration with Ghetto Youth Foundation, which is Damien, Stevens, and Julian's either wide receiver. And so it will be the Jamrock Hurricane Relief Fund. And we're very excited to do that. We'll be talking about it a lot on the ship later on today and getting it all over graphics. We're also doing a post party at the Pre-Blender in Miami, and that post party will also be a continuation of the fundraiser.
Okay, with this cruise in particular, Welcome to Jamrock Cruise, celebrating the 10-year anniversary now, what is one thing you want people to either take away from this cruise, or people that haven't been on the cruise, what is it that you want them to know about this cruise?
This cruise it's not, I don't even think of it as a cruise. It's a community. It's a family. I mean, we really are all a family. I've never in the history of me being on Jamrock, and I've heard even prior to me there's never been a fight. There's never been. I mean, everybody is very loving and very supportive, and we're so excited to see everybody each year. And I think we all, you know, one of our slogans is all in the same boat.
Yep. You guys have a documentary outlet.
Yeah, and the documentary just came out. We featured it with Rob Kenner and Dan Dalton, and we had the whole history of how Jamrock came together and what it means. But we really are all in the same boat, one family, one community, one love.
We are sitting here with two special guests that has done a book documenting the 10 years. It's called All in the Same Boat. We're sitting here with Reshma B and Mr. Rob Kenner. How are you guys doing?
Well, we're all in the same boat.
Definitely, we all are.
And I think right now we're all rocking on the same rock.
Yeah.
And we're
docked
happy to
into-
be chatting with you guys. Much respect to the entertainment report.
Will you consider this a book, a magazine, a pamphlet? What do you consider this piece of art right here?
It's a zine. It's a
2025
zine, yeah. So you know that zines are like underground magazines. People publish them like, you know, guerrilla style in different subcultures. But our one is not Z-I-N-E, it's Z-E-E-N, because like zine. Yeah. So it's a little bit of a
play on words.
Yeah.
All of this has been done under Boomshot Media. So Boomshot Media produce these books. This is the 10th anniversary of edition. We also did a 10th anniversary edition mini documentary about the film. This is where Shabba Ranks is
I'm
coming.
gonna call a timeout.
Just for
Just
1
hold that
second. I just have to.
No.
I know how it goes.
Ting good?
I don't know, say hi.
My boss.
Don't with boss thing,
Yeah.
order the money.
Emperor. Yes.
We know each other from long time.
From long time.
It's not every day that Shabba's go past, but
It's not every day that Shabba
interrupts
your interview.
right?
Yeah, let's get
That's a good sign.
Works for me.
We don't care.
I have it right here.
I make we tell you this. When I laugh, when I smile with people, you're this bad man and you know where you go reach. We don't care. I like people that are about no bad mind. Some of them see I no lawyer. You know, man, what go on? What you deal with?
Listen, I heard that salt looks like sugar. Is that true?
Yeah, true, you know. White sugar look like salt.
Yeah.
We not trust them up. Blah. Me can cuss.
Of course.
Cleanest clothes with the dirtiest heart. Remember say white sugar look like salt. Look like baking soda too.
And flour? Anything.
Kite white.
Yeah. Same thing. Marco, how you doing on this cruise today, the 10th annual Jamrock Cruise? How you doing?
You know, so I just reach. Yo, but they must clean it. Yo, I'm hungry like dog. Need some food. You see me, need some free food too, cause go on the one that we paid for. You see me?
But remember, we're the special part of the ship, so then all of that is taken care of. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah. Cause when I reach me and you say, yo, if you want to put things on file, credit card, you're mad. And free food there, free drinks. Mad.
And who also appeared with him too was Mr. E.
Legend that.
Well, keeping it breezy.
You see legend?
It's a vibe.
Legend.
It's a vibe, you know, trust me. It's from Marco up off of the jet. I said, John Star, the vibes of feel.
Right.
Yeah, man. So it's a job to be amongst the whole crew.
For sure.
To see people like yourself.
Come on,
I never know. I never know what to see you. Trust me. So it's a vibe. You just know so link up and have. Because memories don't leave like people do. You understand what I say?
Definitely.
It's definitely a beautiful thing. Yes.
First time on the cruise, second time.
First time on a ship, big ship. Yo, right now, you don't even know I'm afraid right now.
Remember, so when I just do paint song and bad man song, don't it? We'll take time to talk to the ladies, them to brawling. Now they might see you screw up your face and afraid to approach me, you know. Never me know. Never touch a wanted man, mama. Lean panda cobia, knock you fi boom off. Shy don't do that, pocket full of mola. She fi just to the side, it even want fi pull off. Nuff gun fi stone dark, we know have fi show off. 15 in tall, clear cover to walk. They just smiling bright, but we live in the dark. Hey, Jamrock Cruise, we escape in a nearby. We make love when nobody can. Only a killer make you feel so. Watch me. Anything we paranoid fully. Still make you people wonder how we feel. Only a killer make you. Next one. 1 million song we have in a job with our you know. All I girl them will still have morals. Put up one in our ears so. All I want them we're not that close. Make some nice bunch of Jamrock Cruise right now. Listen to me, she said she giving up slowly. She said me change, she don't know nothing about me. She said me skin get off of your feet browning. Then I listen to killer say to you say your man boss it. Them sell out Jesus for silver, you this me for grocery, no afraid for me lonely. The youth them weak and I recently me start notice Jamrock. I one thing me tell myself, if you fuck by me, me not like myself. Me no get clown out them wild. I know time me see just wind up first, but I one thing me tell myself, me not sleep on your yard and me a rich. Me gone down the ground with the bird. Hey Joey, the world corrupt and that's how we want to steal. Fuck love me, Miami, must be me Valentine's Day. Don't live up a million and a few. Flash. I move so Joey, man. You know the thing going on as a killer, you have to know what you do, you know. Cause sometimes you dig your own grave with them girls in there. Tell me, I tell you. Some of them are sad, some of them are crosses. Remember me tell you that. So I protect myself, not just with condom, but protect my energy. So listen to me now, man. Show me, up off my weed. Me no fuck y'all, we fuck police. Then the alphabet G, not just no me. Y'all dance, me gonna sleep. Hey, Jamrock. Just no weak war, no call me up so love fi do it. Good as I do nobody try. Me nothing go love a must another life. So don't fall for me. And then go cry to your friend when you're dancing me. And if you listen to me song you know all are wicked. Woman don't just don't know when I'm talking this. Because what? Silent river run deep. The pastor me join complete. I love line I'm in a search. If you want to see me money better start working. Left with me because me no one love. Me just a look a broke. Just see me tomorrow and do me probably good you know. Bring a friend and only them never think. Black never free come near me. Black yard yeah the money broad you prefer it. And me say nah no relationship me prefer below. So me I tell you no. Don't fall for me. And then go cry to your friend when you can't see me. And if you listen to me song you know all are wicked. Woman don't just know when you talk it is. Because what? Silent river run. All I do is for them and I take make some nice right now. Canada girl them make some nice. The Caribbean girl them make some nice in our place right now. Bermuda girl them make some nice in our place right now. Me like both girls, we love party. Me like independent party. Like fine anytime, no be party. Me like fucking us. Me say me just fuck a girl from Brooklyn. Sush skin good body, good skin, good house. Love when me step in the base like post milk. I hope you don't mix up like. And me say one flip, one good day. Push me, girl in I jar, I say full zip. Girl in I dance and I use film. And another girl them, what we do? Purple queen, Godspeed shirt and purple fit jeans. Some boys slow like purple for real. Boom boom a jump on a purple she mean. But a girl a burn you down, more load it. Rock away, girl them don't want no cheap. Gun pon the baby dog, load up me base. No police no come in when them here home. Just fuck a girl from Bronx. Mount Vernon. word and she a get naughty, she hear about murder. Claim she thick but she have a friend. Grow with me burn and a learner. Me book a girl up a gun in and she a tell me she a squirter. Murder and no clip yard me a search for. We just have one bag of girl in my place and a bag of dog is like 240. New York girl circle queens. Godspeed shirt and purple jeans. Some boys slow like circle for real. Move woman up and a hurdle. Fuck a girl in New York, she say more Louis V. Tuck away girl, them no know no cheap. Gun for the American, blood up in beach. No police, no come in when them hear more way. Level, me like good girls, we love badness. Me like independent. We drive by anytime, love him at this. Me like fucking night party, me like good girls, we love badness. Me like drive by anytime, love him at this. Me like just fuck a girl from. Never you turn your back on the young generation. Them all who respect law boss, say one line I place right now. You know what's it go? I know see would freak out for each for them there. We never jump the gun. We hold it. I know we not sign to nobody. We believe in ourselves. Big up wash it. So you believe me from school here. You hear me I tell you? Left me not jumping. Jamrock, nobody no come round you fi help and me reach for the level where me proud of myself. Most I anything no soda, my friend can't say prayer no real. Me know jam myself honest. Fight so when it look easy, and what people no get no freely. Remember when me walk and them see me, sorry say three-wheel bike. Them want fi see greatness now, we no fear this now. Jamrock. Me have someone that my brain name faith install. Cause when faith one will come, we don't fear this time. Jamrock, me have someone that my brain name faith install. Never gonna trouble. You have to watch for your follow. As a youth, me been a follow madness. I'm gonna learn my lesson one time. A certain thing go on. A gunshot all reach me. Fly out my flesh and them thing there. But we never give up. We dey on trip and still a record. You know what I sing? We sing a song like this when time we have a bullet tone. And we dey on trip same way. You show the youth them say believe in ourselves and never give up. You hear that? Sure. Me still a run but not far from problems. Blood still a fall from me anthem. We still a feel every chance from the badness. Can't get me talk to my family. And if you're hard for the water, it's still a bleed, still a bleed, still a bleed. Next to the road.
Walk up the sun flop. Look how them mass, them end up in a dead trap. Long time say me a ram dance from weird. Them the times all fishes used to shake the low stop. Them the times very eyes up was a dreadlock. Them the times I go a dance man jump back. From them they get no more people broke. They got people up bad for what they let them all and that. From indoors they play and they pray on the clocks. To me that chill no for them does not chat on them. They say that talk about me done talk on the finish the program. And land to the forefront, there's a wine. When me up back, and me think back. Look from when, me know you run a chat. Now so make us rot. Never of cut. Come on to remind them where Lady G is coming from. Alright? Are you ready? Has a long time veteran, me just give me standard. Happy name in my mind, I me not stop work hard for me. No one here must get my reward. Reggae music a big and big all over. To me, I can put you no like a pampas. But don't give this up, let me see y'all the talk. The G is back. Pick a record for that's a long time. They run number one from the top. I know me, they are DJ problem. They better keep wearing the slap because they never go. When me rock back, I'm missing back. Look from when, when they are all a chat. Don't stop the good rock, walk up. Pull it. Jamrock Cruise, ready? Listen for the ready.
The lighting is good. The lighting changes all the time.
Are you ready? Are you ready for sing with Lady G? Are you ready for sing with Lady G? What the Lady G fans them there? Me sing say, Nabada, 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 come down with the galley, treasures. Come down with your galley, treasures. Freeze up. You just get a look at there and I get just freeze up. You don't know get me now, you want love me friends. Because you know what you do, come back again just freeze. Don't want me to go see the way you skin on my skirt. You want me to feel, you want me to touch, you want me to flirt. Oh, you want me to touch, I know you want me to rush. I know what me, you want me to sleep in a rush. Oh, you put your bucket, you want to watch in the time. Move on you before you get piece of metal. If me ask you twice, no matter piece it, you will get the number one to you wife the talent. No matter what the way they galley treasures. You just get them under there and I get just. So you don't get me now, you want love me friend just. Because I know what to do. But remember the one you look like you have one like no bad man this year. I will have one and so see the way me here. You want them to make me for see them and not scare. Woman they all that sit up for them like here. But them a bad man to run things son. You make them carry respect maximum. You know me do me what you do me now. And when they come to me with a play with them, but him a bad man. Bad man to who? But you bad man you don't have a clue. You must have sticking in your head. Them argument them are really dread. Bad man to who? But you bad man you don't have a clue. You know what we do with bad man? No matter how man bad, the ladies them have something to calm them. And I may tell, we just perform. If you know a man a bad man, to the man, make him after the song. Perform, and if we have a good time, violence could never compare to good one. Perform, if you know a man a bad man, to the man, make him after the song. Perform, and if we have a good time, you know why? Between the sheet, keep me busy all night. Yeah, but I wrote no pick, no gun fight. Kicking the pants, make him screw for your snap. Up on the one that they had a figure mask. You want to perform like a champion ass. But you don't put your hand away like a class. This is for the gear you are here with me friend. Come down there, I'm gonna come out till then. So far, if you know you want a bad man, put him on. I think him up to the sound. So far. I know some ever sing. One of my favorite artists song on already there. And if it's the day I'm gonna say something like this. Hey! Drop it, block it. Girl, I come down and I try to stack it. Watch how I hear, I want it, watch it. Yo! Yeah, hear me, Jamrock Cruise. It's a pleasure to be here. And it's always a joy to perform for the people of every time. Oh, we have there again, Rough Cut. Hey! Hold on. I always have to remind themselves. Yes, a lady G. When I run down nothing in the music business. I love it. With a passion. That's why I do it. And you know the people that look at me and tell me, say, Lady G, you think up there, see them where? When they tell me, say, hey, you still have it up, you still have it up. And you now be that sound and grab it up. You still have it up, you still have it up. reality. When we come on stage, me not show no breast, me not show no belly. Me button out a door, me have on clothes, me not in a bad suit. Me come well covered. Alright? So me say, again, me still have it up, me still have it up. And me nah be that shout and grab it up. Me still have it up, me still have it up. Some girls don't look good and when they was swag it up. Me still have it up, me still have it up. And me nah be that shout and grab it up. Me still have it up. I want to ever up blood. What them say? Me still look fresh, me still look clean. Me still a cast up on a road when dream. Still look hot, still have me steam. Man a ask me if I sell it on me tail. You know if you sit down and right back with him. You know if you want not get the timing. You now be bleach but me have clean skin and no plastic serving away the mind. Okay, me still have it up, me still have it up. And me nah fit that shout and grab it up. Me still have it up, me still have it up. You know why? No dog never bite me when me little. Me no look cheap up like the whole bicycle. I wet me 100, me not look people. Me first still I go stand up and down fighting people. Some of them say it must be a again. No dog never bite me when me little. Me no look cheaper than the old bicycle. And when me 100, me not look cripple. My breast still I go stand up and have fighting nipple. Some of them say it must be a miracle. Me don't do like construction and face no nickel. But you know but don't like no. I do me exercise, that's why me fit like me. Regular me come in mineral bath. These are natural juice and herbal salt. It feels fresh here that the one at all parts. Me no plan to get rich at the cars. You don't know me now, you don't know the thing. But that's how music powerful. Yeah, I jump out of my shoes. Again. You don't know me not in Babylon up digit. Callaloo and steam fish are cooking in my kitchen. Elsha me live and more time me go fishing. Me is a girl, me not do like the chicken car. Me still have it up, me still have it up. I mean not extra. What? Are you orchestrate that one? You big up yourself. Dave Kelly, hold on. Dave Kelly, that song you almost be your one, you know. But you never voiced it. But big up Baby Sham, Dave Kelly. Love you same way. Run it again, that one that was done by me and Mr. Vegas. What is that? Mr. You're hotter than the rest, better than the rest. Face with no silicone test. After that the rest, no guy can test. Some of them are talking and they want to must be now a start in the drink now. You know what rules are now, but I will have bring now. Bullet! Run it again! Are you ready again? Hey, hey, hey! Mr. May hotter than the rest, better than the rest. With your cute face with no silicone test. After that the rest, no guy can test. Enough of them, I know them. Must be now a start in the flip down. You know what rules are but the way I bring down. I know you go we get up and I wasn't every day, but they can't keep back. me do the clap, me do the clap, me do the fast. Me know where the fill up, me not drop the fast. That I get any other friend and the paper for that. Should I see the last when me a star as the fast? She's a woman that looks at that come in a little bit fast. Quickly I just do what you do. You know me, I got to let them see. But she never starts to me. Then I want to say I'm an idea. I said I know what we are. Then I put the left there. I said back there now. But she never starts to me. Flip down. You know what? Then I want to we are bring down. That's what I know what we got to feel like that. Alright. Extra. Yo. I'm in a light class here now. I hear ya. Now where? Is there any brave man inside here tonight? Want to defend the man them? The brave man in there know the song with me and Papa San. Hold on, man. No brave man that in there will defend Papa San. Will defend themselves. Alright. Well, now I'm going to play two parts. Man have a right, woman have a right, oh, if you don't hurt me, me have a right. Man have a right, woman have a right, oh. Alright, it's it. Young lady G, you want me sugar plum. Without you when they think to make you have, but if you respond me, never try give me money, but I think when you get your hand, body come down, the mother kiss when you hand, lick you down a ground, lick out your front teeth and left so go. Little man lick, tie you up in the sun down. If you no food, make your son knock. Hey, Papa San, when you ready, you pick up any time you leg me your tears would have done. Me have a police goes out when he back in son and mother. Run go for him and make it two to them and make you feeling 350 cents now. And just as you attack you would have try play them. Him say, you think a police alone have gun? You ever take a look up at the bad man them one? Then they kind of gun, you know they are jump down when policeman see them. And them have to run. The pipe business, you know it. But you will take it and shot you with it. That's when you are talk to me. If you don't like it, but me no talk to no bite nobody. You have a chinks. Run it to me, the next one again. The next one again. Next one again. Run it to me, run it to me, ready, man. I don't remember the next one again. Remember that one, alright. You don't see it. Listen. Man have a right, woman have a right, oh, if you don't hurt me now. Man have a right, woman have a right, oh, if you don't hurt me. One time God used to tell me what to do, but me never did a work out more to please you. Now me a work and you nah do nothing. The son of the other help do stuff, my grand. Give you one list from start to finish. Stop bite to fingernail and start to practice. Hey! No sir, no sir, no sir. Next sir. So, you know I'm from that school, right? Hurry up again. Mix up time again. Never up front. This one now. What's wrong with the mic? I want the man them to participate. Ladies, we are gonna ask them if them eat and what the man them should say. They say if you cook, hold on. Hold on, no, go. We're gonna say you eat and the man them will say you cook. Are you ready? Jamrock Cruise, me say for the ready. If the sample of a coming, pee, club, I talk about how much he want to work well tonight. No more waiting, so me in the mood for the love making. Spit up me ready to run the marathon with the adventurous, energetic man. So baby, before we start the action, boy, you answer me question. So me say, you eat? You cook? Or you will answer question with question. You eat? You cook? Me just want to make sure you don't answer me wrong. You eat? You cook? Whether me cook or not, that's beside the point. You eat? You cook? And do me ask the man that level. Is it true love in the end of the day have to defend himself. Me have to tell you know what happened to me. To me ask the man if him eat, and him ask me if me cook. I said the man a come in on my bed with some things that I can understand. The man a come with ketchup, black pepper, seasoning salt. I said when the man a go with that something there. You know me have to look at him and tell him, sir, Jamrock Cruise. Listen, baby, listen. Put on back your black jacket where you are going knife and fork in your back pocket. And a long out your tongue and go and padlock it. Before you move it and crack like a fat matic. You just think and snap it. What? Bullet! I don't want to sell you the G out of order tomorrow. Boy, what on them? You know what I say? Before I come here, I call Shensia. I say, Shensia, you have one? Come again. Wine to the max. Wine to the max. That's how you go. Shake. Okay. But guess what? We in a different league. Yeah, big woman think me the fun. When me da dance hall, I go on with my things. Me don't know nothing about no shake it. I mean, I don't know nothing about no twerk it. What we know about big woman? Let me say the big woman them know the real thing of doing a dance hall. What we do in a dance hall? The bubble and wine. Move the waistline. That's how we do it, don't it? I want you to bounce it low, come on, let me hear what I say. Oh, this Rossi. Hey! You're dealing with the best, of course. Cause I'm well mature. Anyway you want it, on the bed or the floor. I give you sweet loving where you can't ignore. You're dealing with the best, of course. Cause I'm well mature. Anyway you want it, on the bed or the floor. I give you sweet loving where you know what? You love when the bubble and the wine to the max. Wine to the max. Wine to the max. Get into the reality. Any big woman in the crowd want to come illustrate to them. Come here alone can't stand up your wine. Come here for your DJ too. I want a big woman to come up here and show them how the real bubbling thing go. You know what, come? Where champion bubbler there? Where security them there? No, sir, bubble them. The bubbler them are high. But they can't make the girls outdo it with twerking. We have to show them so we don't have to move a waistline too, don't it? Alright, but I'm going to sing it by myself. You're dealing with the best, of course. Cause I'm well mature. Anyway you want it, on the bed or the floor. I give you sweet loving where you can't ignore. You're dealing with the best, of course. Cause I'm well mature. Anyway you want it, on the bed or the floor. I give you sweet loving. Hey! You love when they bubble and wine to the max. Wine to the max. Wine to the max. They can give me all the money when they wine from the top. Wine to the max. Wine to the max. In my ears they watch out and I quit in my lash. Wine to the max. Wine to the max. He said baby it's a sweet, take time with them up. Wine to the max. Wine to the max. Pussy. My breast them the flat like rotate. Give him a big up and wine.
Shabba! to that battery. The girls want to hear. Girl taking in the move like a new flip. My wine to the bottom of the and the reason why she has to do it, moving up a visit, moving up a recovery, Shabba Ranks in the place, just for the rock, the music that we want. We bring the harmony, just for the rock, when they want to live it. If it's music that we want to get it, music to white and music to black, when I put the first of the money, jump in the front, so it is lyrics. Jamrock, jump around if you love Shabba Ranks. You love Shabba Ranks, put up your hand, wine around it up. You love Shabba Ranks. Shabba, Shabba, Shabba. Good night. Good night. Good night. Girl, exquisite. Now get the woman. Good night. Exquisite. Now get the woman excited. That's a poem into society. Make the girls them hearted. Woman never say, oh, say that. Tell them say the woman don't come. Oh, say that. Tell them say the woman don't come. One soap, one wash. Only your foot on this. One soap, one wash. Only your foot on this. Man welcomes. Man back then on them say, woman done. The work is in them say. It can't done. It can't done. Shabba. All of the girls them want a rock it up. The girl them want a you one lover. Put it on her way. Want a home turner. Say, yes. Hold on, put in the room, boy. Take it low. Hold on. All of them money think something. You want the pump so easy and let it go. You have to take a lot of times with the pump. The nigga like pump, the nigga like pump. Now it's humble, the money like humble. Hands up! Come on, the girls. What are you running out? Some big fat guy got hungry body. Yes, it's all right. Hands up! Take it up. Some big fat girl car. Sing with me. Be a flying. Some big fat girl car. You still alright, pop. I got slim girl car. You see a man like her and baby. I say when I'm funny, but I feel like funny. Who's up? And when the girl comes, see a follow the chat. I'm on the mouth and the head top. If you love, I'll go come. I'll go those box. The every understand you know. Well, if you love my back, who's up? And when the girl comes, Shabba. 10th anniversary. When I talk about the room, I'm going to start back. Then I pull out the thing, it goes in and just back. From the account, y'all are champion over that. Never did. Jamrock 10th anniversary. Jamrock 10th anniversary. Hands up. Bidi bidi banyo. 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 Take it off. Jamrock 10th anniversary. Take it off. Baseline. Salute. Congratulations, Jamrock, for 10 years. Great experience of reggae music. Salute. Come, Jamrock 10th anniversary. Kiss all the girl them whining. Jamrock 10th anniversary. Kiss all the girl them whining. Let us physical and bite, soul and body. You know say reggae music that take over me. Do what? Yeah, rock no more. Yes, and that is a piece of reggae music. Everybody get up! Come! We don't open on it. Hold up! Listen to me. Yo, turn up this some more. Turn up this thing. Listen to me, people. Hear me out, people. God's chosen people is us as a people. And we must all learn to speak nothing but the truth. All those children come in the world. No man wind up on a woman. Baby come here. What I know? A woman and her strapper can't make two baby come here. God never made Adam and Steve. God made Adam and Eve. So all of the man that will boom boom say boom boom. Come here. Territorial respect. All of the man will love boom boom say boom boom. Alright, but Shabba now because me love pussy. Watch it. Jump. 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 Roar. Jump. It's all love on the band. Love on the band. Love on the band. Next up. Dirty. Shabba in there. Hey, Shabba. Rasta the man, number one. Alright, you say me movie ready up. See me try ready up. Baby, go come here. Shabba warrior. We don't play sorry for. Tell the crazy warrior. Everybody Shabba, Shabba. You want more Shabba? Say more Shabba, 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 Shabba. I love all of the golden. Whoa, keep them shining on crazy. I got a shot, you can carry all your boys. Make a boy call. So the killer, we don't smoke on this. Inside us so hot that it's starting. So the killer, we don't smoke on this. Inside us so hot that it's starting. Here is a bad boy, here is a water mountain. I'm a bad man, with me over. Zero can wait for fucking ass already. In a real separation. Man a ball. Talk about it, gonna come. Right, this is Brother Ball. Jamrock. I love good. I love good. I love good. I love good. You see the cake where you bury me, I make you the disappearance of buckle up heads with the contractors. Dig up on the figure machine, ready to bust. Boy till lay down like they gun with the gun. You make a fake in your nose, you have to take. Yes, sir. Take it on. Love it. I love the Jamaican people. Jamaican people. I love it. English people, take it on low. I love it. Caribbean people. I love it. White people. God knows I love it. Yeah. I love. Shabba. I love. Shabba. I love. Shabba. I love. My time. I love all of the good days. Keep them shine up, Chris. I can push you be carrying in your head. They can white us. Lord, show the killer, we don't show some mess. Inside us up on that. Show the killer, we don't show some mess. Inside, extra, extra. Everybody put your hand up in the air. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? To the foundation of the music, to all the godfathers who says it, to the number one respect. As a matter of fact, answer. What are you doing? What are you doing? Take it on, 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 take it on. Take it on. You see, tonight is a very special night. You know why? A man like me inspired Junior Gang to do what I do. And this is the next level of Shabba Ranks. So as long as there is music, I don't care who want to respect Shabba Ranks. Just respect the work that Shabba Ranks do for this music. Baby Sham, salute, chop it. Junior Gang, salute. Raga Steven, salute. All about Marley children, they respect. You ever tell them, elderly people. You know, sir, the youths are the future of the earth. But we as the elderly people can sit one side and let the children roam and don't fuck. We have to get a grip by teaching them, educating them, loving them. Because the condition of love make any youth go in the right direction. What I said? The condition of love make any youth go in the right direction. We don't know so the but the bound so we not power. We better raise the deal of entertainer. We don't know so the but the bound so we not power. All of the foundations say we respect her. So make you entertain our business matter with them. You have one song with them. Double tap them up with the I can try to play the country. There's a road. They don't want them original cause of them. There's this solution for the whole of them. You don't want like them want this respect, let's say. You ride and roll. You are your godfather of me. King sings on roll. He's the father sings your wedding. Jah you done roll. Jealous, educator of me. Those who will roll. Big up in roll. Charlie Chaplin roll. With the girls on the bed. With the bed for the girls. With the girls on the bed. With the bed for the girls. With the girls on the bed. With the girls on the bed. Step by step you have to baseline alone. Turn it up low, let it roll. Step by step you have to climb the ladder. The elders you have to show respect for. Early pace set a work, live for it. You say cool. Shabba down the road. Junior come down the road. I love you. I love you. We don't know so the big one of you bound us around our powder. What a bit terrorist. We don't know. Sing along with me, sing along, sing along, sing along. Sing along. Sing along, what you say? What you say? We don't know so the big one of you bound us around our powder. Oh no, 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 what me I say. When I love the song and everything, you don't know me I say. Make me say what me I say. Can I say it? Can I say it? Let me break it down, break it down. When a nurse, when a pet, when a trip, when a soda, when a powder. When a better, when a better, when a better, when a better. When a nurse, when a pet. Next song, Papa, next song. Hold on now. This song is a song known as Telephone Love. And this song was done by myself and J.C. Lodge. And this song I am whispering in all the young ladies' ears tonight. And all the women they were there, we're over 50 like me. Me have some waistline too, yeah. Yeah, come in, Serena. You hear me? Yeah, with the phone talking as a matter of fact, they'll come over there. No! Woman, Me a dream about you all the time. It's like you keep on riding past my mind. Me a dream about you all the time. That's why you keep on calling on the telephone. You just step on my mind, step on my mind. I've been calling the girl up on the telephone line. When she came up, she keep. I've been calling the girl up on the telephone. When she came up. Yes, baby. If she's a fisherman, me all the time. If she is a fisherman, me all the time. She said me sweeter than we corn is wine. Cause in the room is our garden divine. Never me, never me, never me. Yeah. You just say Shabba. Yo, turn up the mic, turn up the mic, there you go. That's it, there you go. Thank you. Champion lover, no just beside. Champion lover, gonna make you feel alright. Champion lover, no just tonight. Champion lover, lights it up tonight. I know a girl. If I look into the window, you're welcome on the right man. You're looking on the fire. You're looking on the fire, you're welcome on the right man. You're looking on the fire, you're welcome. I will not take a trip coming from England. Look at this, I can see the nose if you want your man. He Shabba Ranks and say, oh, come on. I'm waiting to see explode. Every hour, every minute, man. They're coming in for over, man, they're coming. I'm not gonna take it easy. You're okay. Won't get away tonight. That got nothing to lose. Make me feel alright. You can stay for the fun. Everything you show me. I've been waiting so long. You better come on strong. Come on with it. Listen I can't wait. Waiting for what? You have it in your mind to come. Tell me what it is. I'm waiting to lay down and make you kill me with it. Because saying that is my favorite habit. And when me lay down, you know it. They coming, it's a love, man, they coming. What? It's a love, man, they coming. They coming, it's a love, man, they coming. It's a love, man, they coming. Champion lover, no just tonight. Oh, champion lover, gonna make you feel alright. Yeah, champion lover, no just tonight. I'm Mr. Lover, cause if I love you want and I love you I don't get, you never say experience. Cause if I love you want and I love you I don't get, you never say experience. This are the love yet. Cause this are love I make you walk up and sweat. And now this are love them hand up. Cause I love you from you. They coming, this are love man, they coming. This are love man, they coming. They coming, this are love man, they coming. Mr. Loverman, come here with it. Mr. Loverman, Mr. Loverman, Mr. Loverman.
So that concludes day 4 of the 10th annual Welcome to Jamrock Cruise. Listen, it was crazy. We seen Shabba Ranks, Chronicler, and then definitely Lady G. She mashed up the place also. And then to top it off, they had the wicked sound clash at sea. Big up the mentally ill crew that won it, but everybody played hard. But listen, we still have tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day at sea, day 5. So continue to follow us and you'll see what we see.